Hello viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Learning with Earning Creative Ideas. World's first online video freelancer training portal providing online top related trainers with exclusive live sessions on freelancing skills. Let's learn and earn from your home. First of all, I will describe tools. Name for search keywords. Tools. 1. Google Trends. 2. SimilarWeb. 3. Suval.com. 4. AnswerThePublic.com. Now secondly, expand the keyword. Research into synonyms. Not to overlap the keywords. What is off-page SEO? Off-page SEO is about everything that doesn't happen directly on your website. Optimizing your website is called on-page SEO and includes things like site structure, content and speed optimizations. Off-page SEO is about, among other things, link building, social media, and local SEO. Link building techniques. Profile linking. Social bookmarking. Guest posting. Forums backlinks. Article submission. Slide sharing. Backlinks via video blogging. Thanks for watching my video.